In this video, I will show you how to download and install Silent Breath on PC or laptop. Silent Breath is a captivating psychological horror game that immerses players in a chilling and atmospheric world. So let's begin downloading and installation process. Firstly, you need Steam installed in your PC. I will leave video in description where I show how to install Steam and create account. When you are finished and logged in Store tab, click on Search bar on left top. In search bar, type Silent Breath, and in drop down you will see the game. If not, check video in description. If you see the game in drop down, click on the game. Right now this game is in early access stage. As we can see, it only works on Windows. Now click on Add to Cart button. In new pop-up, click on View My Cart. Now in drop-down menu you have a few options. You can buy it privately so no data about this game is shown on your Steam profile, or even can gift this game to someone else. Let's leave this selection as it is. Now click on blue Continue to Payment button. In payment methods, select your preferred payment method and proceed. After you're done with payment, next steps I will show with game I already own. Go to your library. You can use the search box to find game you just bought or navigate directly to the games category. Next step I will show on game I own. First, click on the game you want to play. Now click Install. Complete installation process. When installation completed, click to play, and that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful.